Hello friends, if you want to take your first steps into the world of cryptocurrencies but don't know where to start, this video will help you figure it out. Today, we'll take a detailed look at how to use the BingX cryptocurrency exchange. For beginners, the hardest part is getting started. An unfamiliar interface, verification requirements, and the process of buying cryptocurrency may seem confusing. Because of this, many people postpone their dive into digital assets. But don't worry. In this video, you'll get a simple and easy to follow guide to BingX. We'll go through every step from registration to your first trade. With this guide, your start will be smooth and confident. And there's also a nice bonus. In the description, I've left a registration link with a promo code that will give you additional benefits. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our Telegram channel. There, you'll find a large trading chat, an extensive learning base, regular live streams with experienced traders, and the latest crypto news. Join in and get everything you need for successful trading. So, are you ready? Let's get started. BingX is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange and trading platform founded in 2018. The platform offers various products and services, including spot market trading, derivatives, copy trading, and asset management. According to CoinMarketCap's ranking, BingX is among the top 20 exchanges by spot trading volume in 2024. The exchange offers a wide range of trading pairs and advanced features for both beginners and experienced traders. One of the key factors when choosing an exchange is trading fees, and BingX offers excellent conditions. For spot trading, the fee is only 0.1% for both makers and takers, which is below the market average. The conditions for futures trading are even more favorable, 0.02% for makers and 0.05% for takers, making derivatives trading more accessible and profitable. To create an account, first go to the official BingX website via the link in the description, and you'll be directed to the registration page. Important note, if you click the link but are registering through the app, you must enter the referral code during registration. You won't be able to enter it later. The code is displayed on your screen. We have two registration options available: using an email address, using a mobile phone number. Choose the method that suits you best and then create a secure password. From the email or SMS, if you're registering via phone, insert the verification code. Click the register button and you're done. Your account is created. Now, to unlock the full functionality of the BingX exchange, we must complete verification. To do this, click the person icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Identity Verification. There are two verification options. The difference is in the daily withdrawal limit, the extended verification gives a higher limit, and the maximum deposit amount. For most users, the basic verification will be sufficient, so proceed with that. A form will open, where you need to select your country of residence and specify the type of document. Then, enter your passport details and click Done. Wait for the verification results, which usually take 5-10 minutes. You can fund your account in two ways: via transfer from other wallets and platforms or through P2P trading. In this video, we'll cover cryptocurrency transfers from other exchanges or wallets. We'll cover P2P trading in another video, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. You can deposit funds into BingX from another cryptocurrency wallet or exchange. Hover over the Assets section, Deposit. Enter the ticker of the coin you want in the search bar, select the appropriate network, and generate the transfer address. Then copy it or scan the QR code to complete the transaction. Make sure the selected network matches the one of the platform from which you're withdrawing funds. If you choose the wrong network, you may lose your funds permanently. Friends, don't forget that all the links to BingX and our Telegram channel can be found in the description below the video. Also, if you have experience using BingX, share it in the comments. Your feedback could help beginners choose the right platform. Now, let's continue. So, we've registered, funded our balance, and now it's time to buy our first cryptocurrency. On BingX, users have access to over 750 cryptocurrencies and more than 840 markets and trading pairs. The spot trading feature allows you to convert cryptocurrency and exchange tokens across a wide range of altcoins. In the top menu, select the Spot tab. I will buy BTC, but you can purchase any available cryptocurrency using the same method. In the search bar, find BTC USDT and choose the corresponding trading pair. After selecting the trading pair, the trading interface will open. On the right side of the screen, you'll find the order placement window. Market order. Buy BTC at the current market price. Specify the amount in USDT that you wish to spend on BTC. Click Buy BTC. Limit order. Buy BTC at the price you set. Enter your desired price per 1 BTC and the amount you wish to purchase. Click Buy BTC and the order will be executed when the market reaches your price. After the order is completed, Bitcoin will appear in your spot balance. Friends, now you know how to easily register on the BingX exchange, complete verification, top up your balance, and buy your first cryptocurrency. I hope this video has helped you take confident steps into the world of crypto, but this is just the beginning. There's much more to come. Subscribe to our Telegram channel. There, you'll find a large trading chat, an extensive learning base, regular live streams with experienced traders, and the latest crypto news. All of this will help you not only get started faster, but also become a true trading pro. The registration link with bonuses and our Telegram channel are already waiting for you in the description below the video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss new guides. Thanks for watching and see you soon.